Hi, this is Juan from JuanTutors.com. Welcome to my totally free office hours. Today we're working on the January 2017 Algebra 1 Common Core Regents. If you want to access these exams anywhere in the world, go to nysedregents.org and click on the appropriate link. All right, let's get started. Here's problem 24. The 2014 winner of the Boston Marathon runs as many as 120 miles per week. During the last few weeks of his training for an event, his mileage can be modeled by m of w equals 120 times 0.90 to the power of w minus 1, where w represents the number of weeks since training began. Which statement is true about the model m of w? One, the number of miles he runs will increase by 90% each week. The number of miles he runs will be 10% of the previous week. 3, m of w represents the total mileage run in a given week. Or 4, w represents the number of weeks left until his marathon. Try the problem on your own. See if you can get the answer. This is an interesting question because they normally don't ask this kind of question on problem 24, but they did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and you should definitely get comfortable on what this function means. So he runs as many as this many miles per week, and then his mileage during the last few weeks of his training, his mileage can be modeled by this function. And they tell you what w represents, the number of weeks since training began. So the ones that we can verify is these two the most easily. Okay. For example, the number of weeks left until the marathon, they just told you that w represents the number of weeks since training began, so that can be eliminated. This one can be verified the most easily. M of w represents the total mileage run in a given week. So during the last few weeks of his training for an event, his mileage can be modeled by m of w. Okay, so that's what it is. This is correct. Let's just verify that these answers are not correct. The number of miles he runs will increase by 90% each week. So m of w equals 120 times 0.90 to the power of w minus 1. The fact that this is less than 1, this implies that m is decreasing. Okay? And let's just verify. So 120 times 0.90 to the power of, in this case, x minus 1. And then we go to the table because we're not interested in graphing it. So 120, then 108, then 97, right? Then 87. This is going down. Okay? Now, so that's not it. And then the number of miles he runs will be 10% of the previous week. 10% of the previous week means it goes from 120 to 10% of that, which is 12, to 10% of that, which is 1.2, to 10% of that, which is less than a mile, 0.12 miles, almost a tenth of a mile. That's not what happens. So that's not it. So this is the answer. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're watching from one of our playlists, hit the fast forward button to start the next video right now. If not, go to youtube.com, search for JuanTutors.com, click on the name, and definitely hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell if you want to receive notifications when we post new videos. And scroll to the bottom. All of our playlists are going to be right at the bottom. Just click on the appropriate playlist and play all the videos from there. And if you feel like you need a little extra boost with tutoring, go to our website, check out our testimonials, and if you feel like we're right for you, you can click on the Contact Us link and contact us straight from the page. Thanks for watching.